morning and welcome to day 5. We are in Nimbin, which is I don't know, this beautiful humid mountain swamp. No riding today. Today is a tourist day. We also weren't quite sure how many things were going to go wrong yesterday, so we wanted to give ourselves a little bit of a kind of buffer zone, but fortunately everything went pretty smooth yesterday on the first ride out of Hanoi. So today we kind of get to relax, which doesn't really quite feel earned yet, but we're going to take advantage of it. So we are going to get some breakfast and then start doing some exploring. Good morning.
Good morning. You sleep well at night?
Very well.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What do we do? Let's just get in the mix.
One boat.
Which one?
3.
Number B?
Yes.
One boat.
So we are in Tràng An, which is it's known as Halong Bay on land. Halong Bay is this like super famous spot outside of, it's like an hour or so outside of Hanoi. We wanted to go there, but a lot of the reviews, like now especially, like it's just there's tons of trash. It was a little bit out of the way. It didn't look like it was going to be quite like what the pictures made it out to be, and this place looked honestly cooler, and it's on our way. So we've got a 3-hour ride here. We're gonna be helping out, we're gonna be rowing, we're gonna be taking pictures, we're gonna be having a good time. Anything to add?
Okay.
Picking up trash, doing our part, you know? That's what it's all about.
No. Hi,
Probably gonna love at us, but oh well.
We're the only ones on land with our life jackets still on.
This is where we'll row.
They're like, look at this cute, funny gay American couple wearing their life jackets around the temple.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I've accepted it at this point.
All right, here we go. We're going in the cave. Going in the cave.
Oh. Soy Tien Tiempo. Soy Tien Tiempo.
Tell me something about it.
Normally I would make something up, but it's a place. Yeah, it's a place of respect. So I don't know nothing. I'm just here to learn. I'm an open book.
Through a series of Google Translate conversations, we figured out the temples are 1,000 years old. Jack's guess was 300, but
It was 900. I was close.